Come on, what's in from our front yard? And of course, tree one of my favorite is so yeah. So tree, I am start the vlog just before I start shopping. But yeah, you can see we got a dairy plugin and yeah. For a lot of snow on the ground there though, yes. Check it out. Yes, but I'm just gonna shovel the usual place now. So shovel up the step and went over to the shade area. But yeah. Police got the majority of the dry cloud, but yeah. So you can tell I'm wearing my I'm wearing the white clone to shovel and whatnot. Yep. This actually my dad's winter clothes, but with the cold and or whatever it is. But yeah. But yes, but I'm not going to talk for too much longer. But so with that being said, I'm going to get shoveling and up the guys after to show guys how the package is going. Alright, so I got the shoveling done now. And of course I got the step all to clear the shovel and whatnot. Got the heavy lean over to the driver here, but yeah. And got the city all then also got in here shoved out to get over to the small store, the big one. But yeah, but on that that's pure that. So I'm at the green now and just we slept a bit and now we hang out again in a little while. So there we put in 2000 and whatnot. Yep. Always and man was spending in the cold iceberg. Yep. That's really warm cold. Yep. So yeah. Because I had to teach my shirt just then so I'm wearing a different shirt now than I was wearing earlier. What I was wearing earlier was a green American Eagle shirt, but now I'm wearing this one which I got for Christmas present. But yes, but of course, as I said in last clip, I am going out with Daddy in a few minutes. We'll be booking over to CBS to get a coffee and then I think we're going back home from there. So yes, so yeah. But I think I did a pretty good job solving though. If I was saying myself, but anyway, but yes, because I don't know how much vlog this will end up being, but yeah. She says I'll focus again today, but of course yeah. But at least the snow is quite down a lot since this time yesterday. So yeah. So that's all good. So yeah. So with that being said, I'll talk to you later. Alright guys, so I'm back in my room now. Yeah. I just I'm at the desk now. Just get watch YouTube and whatnot. And yeah. Yes, of course. So yeah, got to reset the biomechanic piece. Yep. So you can see got 3 links on my desktop here. I got Discord, Weather Office, and Google Maps. Yep. So those are the those are my favorite places to go on. This meanwhile, I got Snapchat and YouTube on my gaming computer. But yeah. But of course, yeah, I got this on my desk as well. It is a I believe this is a phone holder. Yep. Got this for Christmas, but yeah. Of course, yeah. Right on. And this, and I got my gaming controller here still, yes. Yeah, which I tried out yesterday when I was playing Power World. Yep. It actually taken some get used to, but I got used to pretty quick. But yeah. So overall, it's been a good day nonetheless. got got a bit of something done. Yep. As you could see throughout the vlog. But yeah. So that's all good. Yep. I was actually in the city little while ago. We lived in Mount Pearl to get some stuff done. We were could have plowed some story, but the messages were always a step ahead of us, so we just went on over to teams Ruth Abbey area, and then we just went on back toward home from there. So yeah, but that's the first trip into the city in 2 days, now. So yeah, so that's all good. Yeah, but I'm also home for the rest of the day now, and yeah. And I actually did get out and work for 12 hours, so I'm gonna be back to work again tomorrow. So yeah, but it's 12. It'll be a very busy day for me overall, which since we'll be catching up on our deliveries because there was actually no deliveries yesterday since whole city was shut down, and then today there's only a couple of deliveries. Yep. And then, but then the tomorrow when the storm is it's all done, it's all still done. We'll be recapping deliveries and whatnot. So so all your viewers hard edit all day tomorrow. Yes. Yep. Don't think it'll be a still don't think it'll be full day, but it'll probably be it'll probably be longer than in the past few weeks. Oh yeah, yep, and and then that'll also be my first busy day at work while working or try the majority on morning in the afternoon oh since well I worked I did leave it on the late morning and 20 afternoon the last back in earlier this month or at least last month yep and but of course because last time I did leave is I'm on and try to majority of the afternoon of the rest of the summer. Oh, so yeah, so that'll probably be the first time I'm working with leaves all day since then. But yeah, but we'll see how but oh for now I just chill out at home but so yeah, and of course yeah, wait on, and of course as you can tell throughout the past couple of days I've been wearing these round glasses your college glasses back in June 2022, but they broke off a little over a year later. But we haven't got them repaired till what was it? Oh, it was late last month. Oh yeah, when we adopted the market, they picked them up there. Oh, what was it? Couple days ago. So yeah, so they've been in our in the art clinic ever since ever since then. So that was pretty much 3 weeks ago now. Pretty sure, but yeah. But if he's gonna be wearing these glasses though, again, yes, yeah, they miss wearing these for the past year. Ah man, baby. So yeah. So with that being said, uh, I'll be home for the rest of the afternoon, and and next clip that you see probably at the end of the vlog. So, cause yeah, so cause um, but I'm because I really do want to add more content to these vlogs. Like out in the city as well and I'm walking and whatnot but of course but traditionally well but of course since I was since we had snow companies I was pretty much stuck at home just waiting out the storm but of course yeah. But I did get out once last night and once this afternoon, but I never got off any walks or anything. But of course, but I do miss walking not less. But I'll head to get out the weekend. So yeah, yep. Oh wait, but yeah. But for now I apologize for the for lack of content in the past couple days since we had snow try to past couple days, but I promise you once I'm able to get outdoors again out walking or whatever, then I'll take you guys along with me then. And I do want to vlog every day try next while at least, but yeah. So yeah. But anyway, but I'll talk to you later said yep yep once I'm getting myself ready for bed. So yeah. Always again the end of the vlog now. So cause yeah. So cause I just hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I sort of enjoyed my second snow day today, but yeah. But of course I will be back to work again tomorrow, which I'm definitely look forward to. But yeah. So right on, but of course yep. So and of course another thing to talk about now is it's really while I was using the NGL app on Snapchat like spicy right crazy with have been literally sending me messages to me seeing stuff like how one of their buddies or brother or whatever is cause up in the kidneys, but or even me spend movies about me and in kidneys and whatnot, but man, it's getting out of hand. Of course, I really, I really, it's not good to be addicted, to be dealing with that. Yes, and of course, and an old buddy of mine who graduated with me who I went to school with for the past 2 decades actually put a post on his Facebook talk about that, and plus she actually said that I'm not the only one dealing with that, but of course I will take my buddy on the if watch the videos and I'll let you take you anyway for posting that and I yep and they supported me to spent for the past two decades and of course yep it doesn't matter. I'll talk about that yep Amel yep but of course yes but anyway anyway, with that being said, in after this, yeah, at least tomorrow is Friday, and of course the meeting will be coming up after tomorrow, but yeah, but and of course, being that we got another quick social coming on Sunday, yep, where 10 to 15 centimeters could fall in a very short order, but yeah, so we did not know we were only into mid February, but yeah, but of course, yeah, but I definitely look forward to this. It's been a while, yes. We go to the teens, plus teens, not minus teens, but we gotta we gotta get to the rest of the winter yet before we get into spring and the rest of the summer. But yeah, oh man, but for now I'll end it after this, of course. Yeah. So hopefully everyone enjoys your Friday and the weekend, and I'll talk to you in the next vlog coming up. 12 is over and out.